I'm here with my friend today, Lauren, and I'm Jen, and we're doing some face pantry beauty. So Laura, what do we have today in your pantry that we can do for some masking?
So my concerns of my face, I told Jen that this time of year I do get really dry. I lose my golden glow. I am in my 40s now, so my concerns are fine lines, wrinkles, anti-aging. I've battled with dark circles my whole life. So we went into my pantry and Jen grabbed a couple of items that will target and combat what I've got going on.
So what is it that we got going on?
So it's the dry skin, the dark circles, the whole things, but you grabbed a banana. We got a half lemon that I had cut for my water in the morning. And luckily I just stopped at Stu Leonard's and picked up some honey. So Jen's gonna whip up some sorcery here.
Right, so we're picking out a banana today. We have honey and we have lemon, like Laura said. These things are all gonna be really great for all of her concerns. This can actually work for any skin type, but especially if anyone's dehydrated, that wants to fight wrinkles, pull out impurities, the lemon's gonna do that. Bananas are full of vitamins A, B, C, and E. So we're gonna help boost collagen, we're gonna target those sunspots, and we're going to get rid of free radicals, and really moisturize, and fight any acne. If you have any impurities in general, like I said, even if we don't have acne, this is gonna come out. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take a half a banana to maybe 3/4 of a banana. You're gonna need a fork. You're gonna want 1 teaspoon. So we're gonna get that for the lemon and 1 teaspoon for the honey.
Let me fix the honey because it is brand new.
Brand new. So while she's doing that for me, we are going.
We're also using a room temperature lemon that was left out, which is fine either way. So
yeah. So if you want to use something cooler, if you feel like this is the summertime and you need a little bit of cooling, you can use a cool lemon, but I would say that most people don't usually cool their lemons. So I just threw a teaspoon of lemon in there. I'm gonna throw now a teaspoon of honey on top. If you feel like you want to add a little bit more hydration, that's never necessarily a bad thing. So
Never.
The more honey, it's not going to do any harm, especially for like the ratio. I'm only doing it for Laura. I'm not doing it to myself just this moment. We have some friends running around right now who are not going to get masked today either. Now I'm going to mash this up. And
little slippy hands.
Cheers. And when I'm done, we're going to apply this all over Laura's face. I'm gonna
Every girl wants a banana on her face.
Every girl. I'm also going to talk to you about banana peels and how these are going to help combat her dark circles that she was just talking about. This is a great thing that we can use in several ways, but this is going to be one way. We'll use it as an iPad. And we will be back. All right, so we have now mashed up the banana and mixed the honey and the lemon really, really well, as you can see. So it's pretty liquidy. If you need to add a little bit more honey to it, like I said before, it's only gonna add hydration and it's going to make everything stick together. Our friend Twinkle's getting down. He was here for a minute, now he's coming down. This feels a little bit still, a little bit too liquidy.
So honey thicken
So
it.
honey is gonna congeal it a little bit more. So it's gonna bring it back together. So, like I said, not gonna go wrong with a little bit more honey. And I did lie, I'm gonna join Laura in the banana mask. The masking friends situation. So, now that I've mixed it, we're going to start to apply. So, as I apply, I'm going to go all over the face. I might go into the neck a bit because that could always benefit us.
Or my pants. Make sure your friends don't have nice stuff on.
Yeah, make sure that you're wearing the appropriate clothing so that you don't get it everywhere.
This does feel good though because my head hurts bad.
So this is really refreshing. Like I said, we're hydrating, we're getting rid of any wrinkles, all the antioxidants in the banana and the potassium and magnesium. There's zinc and there's lectin. So there's all of these awesome properties that are going to make your skin really super happy. And
Like it smells good.
it smells
you
good.
know?
The banana, the
And
ripeness
I'm so
of the
smell
fruit.
sensitive. Like I hate some of that chemical stuff that they put
All
on
the
you.
crap out there.
Oh my god.
So this is a nice natural way. Again, most people have bananas in their pantry, so why not put part of it to good use?
Just make sure you don't work at a zoo, because then the animals eat your face.
We're probably gonna wash our face off before that. All right, so we're gonna let this now sit for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna do myself as well. So we'll do that real quick. And so, like I was saying before, Lauren is concerned about under eye circles, dark circles.
Sure.
I have under eye bags that are puffy. So these banana peels are actually gonna work really great for either or. So if you just actually place it there like you would,
That feels really good, actually.
if you place it there with just straight to the skin, it's going to really help
Years.
that and alleviate. Yeah, it feels amazing. It looks amazing. And it's gonna do some wonders. You could do this every day. You could do this as often as you want to. The more you do it, the more it's going to benefit your skin. The peel, I mean the banana actual mask part, you can keep in the refrigerator for up to like a week.
Now, would you add anything to this? Like if someone had another concern, like what other things
Yeah,
can we
so
add?
there's so many different ways you can use a banana. Like I
That's-
said, if you wanted to actually, for people with acne skin, so they have problematic skin, you can even just use the banana peel alone and use it all over the skin. It's gonna, while it's drying, it's gonna pull out any impurities. So anything that's in there a little bit deeper, it's gonna start to draw it out. So this is really good for anyone even who has just congestion. So
And like, let's say after I use a banana, I can keep the peel in the fridge and pull it out, or should I use it
no,
fresh?
I would use it fresh. It's gonna
Okay.
get funky. It's gonna get brown and shrivel up.
Alright,
So you want only like fresh banana peels. The banana itself, like I said, it could last for a few days.
Okay.
But other than that, you don't want to use anything that's gonna go too old because you know how bananas get funky.
Oh, monkey funkies. Yeah.
So, like I said, if you want to even just do the peel itself, every couple days, but every few days you can do it multiple times, and it's just gonna help increase any kind of circulation, boost the collagen, make your skin super happy. So we're gonna let
We'll
this
be back.
sit for the next 20 minutes, and we'll be back.
All right.
Cheers. All right, we're back, and we just cleaned our faces. We washed them off with some warm water first, and then we splashed with a little bit of cold water just to tighten the pores afterwards so everything gets constricted. All those benefits are gonna be locked in. Laura, how do we feel?
I'm not gonna lie. I'm serious because
Alright.
I always.
Don't lie.
I'm not. I feel like I felt it working. Like the citric acid, I definitely felt a little tingling, which is normal. And I still feel like my skin is tighter. I do feel smoother, refreshed. I mean, I'm not complaining. I would do this again.
Yeah, feels
I
good,
would,
right?
yeah.
So these are some of the great benefits. Like I said, if you use this a little bit more often, you'll see the results.
How often can I do something like this?
You could do like once a week, I would say. I try not to go too crazy, maybe
Right.
every other. But it depends on what you have in your pantry.
Yeah.
Like we said, we had bananas today, so that was really helpful. Honey is one of those things you could probably add to a lot of other things. Lemon as well. Those things are combined are all going to work out really super well. But today, banana with those things. The peels, like I said, you could just use those alone, and that's going to do a really great job of making the skin happy. But
So once we rinsed it, though, we did add just our normal skincare routine.
yeah, you want to follow with your normal skincare regimen. So something gentle. You don't want to do anything too crazy. You don't want to make the skin overly sensitive. You don't want to overtreat. So something normal, something hydrating and gentle. I use sometimes after a mask, I'll just use straight coconut oil.
Which I have. Do you want to grab it?
Yeah, we can grab that.
Pause it. Let's get it. Let's add it.
Okay, so as I was saying to Laura, a really nice, gentle, hydrating pantry ingredient is coconut oil. I love to use this for moisturizer, face, body. You do want to warm it up, especially if it's winter, it's gonna be congealed, so you're gonna wanna emulsify it. You can put it all over.
Ladies, literally this time of year, like I get super flaky. I put this in my hair once a week. I put this all over my body. Like, it really, really, really helps. It's great for your cuticles.
It's good for everything.
Yeah,
this thing
safe
really
under the
works.
eyes.
Eye makeup remover, like I said. I put it everywhere. So now we're like extremely
Give me the glow.
glowing.
Give me the glow.
And we look good. So you can use the extra wherever you need to, elbows, wherever. This is, like I said, a super gentle moisturizing treatment. Use it on your lips, wherever you need to.
Yeah, it's good to use though after a mask like this,
Yeah.
just because
You will feel a little tingle,
Yeah.
so this is a nice way to make yourself reset back to start. It shouldn't clog pores or make anyone's skin angry. If it does, then just use whatever light oil-free moisturizer. All right? Well, thanks for joining us.
Until next time.
Until next time.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Chiquitas and tequilas, right?
Chiquita tequila.